how to walk under your text, like you will see here. Let's go and create this in Final Cut Pro. So record your clip, then drag it onto your timeline in Final Cut Pro and delete what you don't need. I will select this part and delete this one. Okay, now we need to duplicate this clip and delete the first part of this duplicated clip. Now when you are on the lowest point, like you see here, split it and also make the same here, like this. Split and delete the middle part of your clip. Now we need to add a title. I will go here and I will select this one, like so, and drag it to the end. Now we can see how this looks like. We also need to type the text and select your font. You can play with these settings how you want. Make it a little bit smaller. Yeah, just a little bit smaller, like so. Now let's see what we have for now. Okay, and yes, we need to select this clip and go on this tool and add magnetic mask and select your object and hit analyze. Click done and select your last clip and do the same. Add magnetic mask, select your object and hit analyze. Now hit done and let's see. Yes. Okay, first part is almost done. We need to adjust a height of this text, like so. Drag it up and let's see. This is I think that is okay. Now the last part of this video, we need to adjust few settings. Okay, here we need to select our text, our title, and add a keyframe. Go up here and you will see this is a keyframe. Click here and go to the end and click again and drag it up, your text, and this text will slowly move up. Let's see. Yes, I think this is perfect.